Ever wondered why muscle growth and weight loss seem to be at odds with each other? How can we achieve both? It's a conundrum that has puzzled fitness enthusiasts for ages. But what if I told you that the answer lies right in your kitchen? Yes, you heard that right. Certain vegetables can be your secret weapon in this battle of the bulge and brawn. Today we're going to dive deep into the benefits of 3 specific vegetables that can help you reach your fitness goals. Spinach, a green leafy vegetable, is more than just Popeye's favorite. It's a nutritional powerhouse, a green giant that packs a punch when it comes to your health and fitness goals. Now, let's dive into what makes spinach so special. Firstly, spinach is a protein champion among vegetables. It's loaded with plant-based proteins that are vital for muscle growth and repair. And guess what? These proteins are easily digestible, which means your body can absorb them more efficiently, helping you to build lean muscle mass. Secondly, spinach is a low-calorie superstar. Yes, you heard it right. This leafy green is incredibly low in calories, but high in nutrients. That's a win-win, especially if you're trying to shed those extra pounds. You can eat a lot of spinach without worrying about your calorie intake, which makes it an excellent choice for weight loss. But that's not all. Spinach is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. It's packed with vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins, as well as minerals such as iron, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients not only support overall health but also boost energy levels, aid in digestion, and enhance your body's ability to burn fat. And we can't overlook the fiber content of spinach. It's rich in dietary fiber, which helps keep you full for longer periods, curbing overeating and snack cravings. So, spinach can be a great ally in your weight loss journey. Moreover, the antioxidants in spinach help reduce inflammation in the body, which is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. It's also beneficial for your skin, hair, and overall immunity. So how can you add this green giant to your diet? Well, spinach is incredibly versatile. You can have it raw in salads, steam it, add it to your smoothies, or incorporate it into your soups, stews, and stir-fries. It's a simple, yet powerful way to enhance your meals and your health. Spinach is a versatile vegetable that can be easily incorporated into your daily meals to boost your fitness journey. So, why not give this green giant a try? Remember, it's not just Popeye's favorite for no reason. Broccoli, the miniature tree-like vegetable, is a powerhouse of fiber. This green delight is so much more than just a side dish at your dinner table. It's a health-boosting superhero, packed with fiber, proteins, and water, all of which play a pivotal role in your journey towards achieving a healthy physique. Let's delve into the heart of this green powerhouse. The secret behind broccoli's weight loss magic is its high fiber content. Fiber is a nutrient that our body needs but cannot digest. This indigestibility is what makes it a star player in the weight loss game. It adds bulk to your meals without adding calories, making you feel full faster and longer. This helps in maintaining a calorie deficit, which is the key to shedding those extra pounds. But that's not all. The high fiber content in broccoli also aids in digestion. It acts as a natural broom, sweeping your digestive tract clean and promoting regular bowel movements. This not only helps in maintaining a healthy gut, but also aids in reducing bloating, giving you a flatter and toner-looking stomach. Now let's turn our attention to the muscle-building aspect of broccoli. Yes, you heard it right. This humble vegetable is surprisingly rich in protein, the building block of muscles. Incorporating broccoli into your diet can help provide the necessary protein your body needs for muscle growth and repair. It's a fantastic veggie option for those who want to amp up their protein intake. Moreover, broccoli is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals too. It's particularly rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production for healthy skin and hair, and vitamin K, which aids in bone health. All these benefits make broccoli a worthy addition to your diet. So, whether you're a gym enthusiast looking to build lean muscle or someone simply trying to shed a few pounds, broccoli can be your go-to vegetable. It's not just about the taste, it's about the powerhouse of nutrients it brings to your plate. Broccoli is an excellent choice for those looking to build muscles and lose weight simultaneously. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a bunch of these green trees. They might just be the secret ingredient to your fitness success. Carrots, the vibrant root vegetable, are often associated with good eyesight, but their benefits go far beyond that. This humble root, known for its bright orange hue, is packed with nutrients that can boost your health and fitness. Let's dive into the benefits that make carrots a must-have in your diet for muscle growth and weight loss. Firstly, carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just good for my eyes? Well, yes, but it does more than sharpen your vision. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress in your body, especially after an intense workout. When you exercise, your body's metabolic rate increases, producing free radicals that can damage your cells. Beta-carotene steps in to neutralize these free radicals, aiding in quick muscle recovery. So, next time you're sweating it out at the gym, remember to refuel with some carrot sticks. Next up, let's talk about weight loss. Carrots are high in fiber, with about 3.5 grams per cup. Consuming fiber-rich foods can make you feel fuller for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. But that's not all. Fiber also aids in digestion, ensuring a healthy gut, which is crucial for weight management. Moreover, carrots are low in calories. You can munch on them without worrying about tipping the scale. They also add a sweet and crunchy element to your meals, making your diet plan much more enjoyable. But the benefits of carrots don't stop there. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin K and potassium, which are essential for overall health. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. In a nutshell, carrots are a powerhouse of nutrients. They assist in muscle recovery, aid in weight loss, and offer a host of other health benefits. So why not make them a regular part of your diet? Whether you enjoy them raw, steamed, or juiced, they're a delicious and healthy choice. Adding carrots to your diet can help you recover faster from workouts and maintain a healthy weight. So give your body the nourishment it deserves with this root of strength. So, we've learned about 3 amazing vegetables: spinach, the green giant; broccoli, the fiber powerhouse; and carrots, the root of strength. Each of these vegetables brings unique nutritional benefits to the table, benefits that can accelerate muscle growth and weight loss. Let's start with spinach. This leafy green is packed with iron, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function and health. Iron helps transport oxygen to your muscles, ensuring they have the fuel they need to perform and grow. Plus, spinach is low in calories, making it a great choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. Next up is broccoli. This vegetable is a fiber powerhouse, and we all know how essential fiber is for a healthy digestive system. But did you know it also plays a significant role in weight loss? That's right, fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which helps curb overeating. And let's not forget, broccoli is also rich in antioxidants and vitamins that support overall health and muscle recovery. Last but not least, we have carrots. These roots are high in vitamin A, which plays a vital role in protein synthesis, a key process in muscle growth. Carrots are also packed with fiber, aiding in weight loss by keeping you feeling full. Moreover, they provide a good amount of potassium, a nutrient that helps with muscle contraction and recovery. In summary, spinach, broccoli, and carrots are not just ordinary vegetables. They are nutrient-dense powerhouses that can support muscle growth and aid in weight loss. Whether you're looking to bulk up, slim down, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, these vegetables deserve a spot on your plate. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet can be a game changer for your fitness goals. So, why wait? Start eating these 3 vegetables today and watch as your body transforms. Remember, your health is your wealth. Eating right is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Now you know the secret to quick muscle growth and weight loss. It's not a magic pill or a high-tech gadget, but 3 humble vegetables: spinach, broccoli, and carrots. As you've learned, these are not just ordinary vegetables. They're packed with essential nutrients that can supercharge your fitness journey. Imagine starting your day with a green smoothie, with a dash of spinach for that iron powerhouse. Or how about a hearty broccoli soup for lunch, flooding your body with fiber and antioxidants? And let's not forget about the humble carrot, a snack that can provide you with a quick energy boost and essential vitamins. But knowing is only half the battle. The real challenge starts in the kitchen and the grocery store. So, why not take a step today? Add these vegetables to your shopping list, experiment with new recipes, or simply snack on them raw. Let these green giants fuel your body and watch as they work their magic on your physique. But wait, there's more. Help us continue to provide you with these health hacks and fitness tips by subscribing to our channel. It's a simple click for you, but a huge support for us. If you found this information helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your friends and help them kickstart their own fitness journey. Remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going and don't forget to eat your veggies.